This video is going to show you how you or students can use the markup tool in the photos on the iPad to edit a PDF and then upload it as an assignment. So right here is a document, a PDF that Miss Edivane at Marshall has given me to use as a test. And the first thing I'm going to do is take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to press the home button and the power button. It's going to take a screenshot. Okay, and now I'm going to press my home button and open my photos, and you should see it. There it is. So I'm going to open that up, and then on the upper right corner I'm going to go to edit, and then I'm going to tap these three little dots right there and go down to markup. And then here in the markup tool down here at the bottom I have all kinds of marking up options. Okay, so I'm going to select that I have the pen right here. Notice, and I can change the thickness of my pen. It depends on how much information I'm going to use. Now I can use my finger. I can use one of those squishy tipped styluses or a squishy tipped pen. I have a Logitech crayon that I use. There's also Apple pencils that can be used. So any of those things can be used to use as the markup tool, but a finger works just fine. So it says, there was a shy fellow who swallowed a cello, instrument sort. Directions: write the name or draw the instrument. Woodwind, say that's a saxophone. Brass. Miss Edivane, if I get this wrong, I'm so sorry. Percussion. Well, I'm going to say cymbal. B-A-L. I'm going to erase there. Okay. And strings. I'm going to say harp. But for brass, I would assume, maybe that would be saxophone. Okay, so obviously I need to go back to elementary school music class. Woodwind, a kazoo. Okay, so there's my answers. I'm going to tap done at the top right corner, and it's going to save. I'm going to tap done again. So this is my assignment now. If I tap on it anywhere, it doesn't go. If I go back to my photos, you can tell here, down here, that it has been edited. So I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. I'm going to go to a kind of a sample class that I use for that I'm in as a student, and you'll have to bear with me because I have a bazillion different classes in here, which is why it's going to take a second to load. Maybe. Alright, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I don't mean to make anybody dizzy, but I'm going to try to go fast because that's where mine are. Alright, so here's the one I was looking for. Let's say I'm going to go to my classwork. I'm going to say turn this in. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom here, and let's say I want to go to add attachment. I'm going to pick a photo. I'm going to go to all photos, and now you see my photo here that I made. It's going to attach it in, and then I'm going to tap to turn it in. So let me remove these other ones because those are all old ones. So this is if I tap it, comes up, and that's the one that I wanted. And then I would, as a student, I would tap to turn it in. So that is how to take a PDF, use the markup tool on the photos to edit the document and then turn it in as an assignment. I hope this video has been helpful.